feeling overwhelmed by modern life? Do you find yourself constantly chasing your tail, struggling to find even a moment of peace? This video isn't about escaping reality, it's about transforming your relationship with stress. Today, we'll explore simple yet powerful Zen breathing techniques that you can weave into your daily life, offering a clear path toward calmness, clarity, and lasting tranquility. Life today moves faster than ever. From constant notifications to endless responsibilities, our minds are rarely still. Even when we stop, our thoughts keep running. But peace isn't something found in a distant mountain or hidden temple. It's right here, within your breath. It's the anchor in the storm of our daily lives, a tool we carry with us everywhere, yet often forget to use. In Buddhism, the mind is like a lake. When disturbed by the winds of worry and distraction, it becomes cloudy and turbulent, making it impossible to see what lies beneath. But when still, it reflects the truth of our experience with perfect clarity. The Buddha taught that awareness of breath, known as Anapanasati, is the direct path to calming both the body and the mind. When we breathe consciously, we gently guide our awareness back to the present moment, the only place where peace truly exists. This isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about observing them without getting swept away. Now, let's practice together. Find a comfortable sitting position, whether on a cushion or a chair. Allow your spine to be upright, but not rigid. Relax your shoulders, letting them fall away from your ears. Gently close your eyes, or lower your gaze, if that feels better for you. Now, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs. Hold for a moment at the peak of the inhale, and slowly, completely, breathe out through your mouth or nose. Feel the cool sensation of the air entering your lungs, filling your body with calm, nourishing energy. As you exhale, imagine releasing all your worries, tension, and expectations with the breath. Let go of what happened earlier today and what might happen tomorrow. Just be here, now, with this breath. If your mind wanders, and it will, that's perfectly normal. Gently and without judgment, acknowledge the thought, and then guide your focus back to the sensation of your breath. Again and again, this is Zen breathing, simple, yet incredibly profound. Let's continue for a few more moments in silence. So, how can we bring this sense of peace into our everyday lives? The beauty of Zen breathing is its simplicity. You don't need a special room or a specific time. You can practice it anywhere, anytime. Start with just 1 minute a day, perhaps before you get out of bed in the morning, or while you wait for your coffee to brew. Take a few conscious breaths. Feel your feet on the floor. Notice the rhythm of your inhales and exhales. When you're stuck in traffic, instead of feeling frustrated, use it as an opportunity. Turn off the radio and just breathe. Inhale, calm. Exhale, tension. During a stressful meeting at work, you can subtly practice mindful breathing right at your desk. No one even has to know. Just focus on the quiet, steady flow of your breath. These small moments of mindfulness accumulate, creating a foundation of calm that supports you throughout your entire day. Consistency is more important than duration. Practicing for 1 minute every day is far more beneficial than practicing for an hour once a month. Over time, this practice builds new neural pathways in your brain, making it easier to access a state of calm and less likely to be hijacked by stress. You'll begin to notice a natural pause between a stressful trigger and your reaction, giving you the space to choose a more mindful response. Your breath becomes your portable sanctuary, a reliable friend you can turn to in any situation. It is the ultimate act of self-care. Integrating Zen breathing into your life is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when your mind feels like a stormy ocean, and other days when it is as still as a glass pond. The practice is not about achieving a perfect state of perpetual calm, but about cultivating a compassionate and consistent relationship with yourself. It's about learning to be with whatever arises, with kindness and patience. Each breath is a new beginning, a fresh opportunity to return to your center. This practice offers a profound gift, the realization that peace is not something you have to search for, but something you can create, moment by moment, breath by breath. Thank you for joining me on this journey into Zen breathing. I hope these techniques bring a little more peace and clarity into your life. If you found this video helpful, please please give it a like and consider subscribing to Zen Breathe Light for more practices on mindfulness and inner peace. Share it with someone who might need a moment of calm today. Remember, your breath is always with you. Use it wisely. May you be happy and at peace.